Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I am Joe Tigay here in the VIX pit on the floor of the Cboe. We have another expiration. We expired for December at 11.99. Yes, that's a very low level for the VIX. The market for its part is right at 3,200 in the S&P 500, and yesterday we saw one of the lowest ranges of the year, only about 5 points in the S&P 500. So yes, that's what happens when you see a low VIX. That's what you should expect. Now, the market's thinking that all of our worries are behind us, seemingly. Of course, geopolitically, we seem to have settled down, and markets are looking forward to the holidays, of course. That's also why we have another low VIX. Now, all that said, sometimes the market finds some things to worry about that they forget about, or they think are behind them, will happen again. So, of course, trade war, we think that's done. Maybe it'll come back again. Maybe the tariffs won't be decreased as much as we thought. Maybe there'll be some increase in tariffs. Always possibility. And, of course, geopolitically, maybe there's something out there that we're not thinking of right now. You never know. Something could always pop up, and something maybe that we know about now we aren't worried about yet, but maybe we will be worried about next year. And finally, of course, remember last year we had a huge sell-off all December into Christmas Eve, and then a huge rally sparked after that. Could it be the reverse this year? Huge rally this year all December into Christmas Eve. Will there spark a sell-off then? That's anybody's guess. Now, we'll be watching all of that closely. Now, under the volatility surface, you look at the skew, still in the highest levels of the year, so people are still concerned about a downside volatile event. Now, that might just be some hedging, people putting on bets to hedge to the downside and with their long side bets. Of course, right up here at 3,200, maybe we're looking at further room to the upside. And of course, the VVIX also at 100, a very high level for the VVIX, considering the VIX is around that 12 area, so people are still looking for volatility in the VIX futures. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.